Hello guys, in this class we will discuss how to construct an algebra equation from word into symbols with real-life examples. So stay connected with us till the end. Man has been using natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on in his life. As time passed, his needs increased, and the calculation became more complex. Algebra provides methods to transform and solve difficult and complex mathematical problems in easy way. In arithmetic we usually perform calculation of numbers with the help of fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, Jerry has 5 apples and Tom has 8 apples. So, the total number of apples is 5 plus 8. The term algebra is an extension of arithmetic in which letters or symbols replace the numbers or quantities. For example, Bisma has 3 toffees in a plate and Hivza has some toffees in her purse. We can represent the total toffees as 3 plus x. Here are some examples to represent words into symbols. Sum of 6 and x. The product of two numbers x and y. 5 is greater than 4. Double of a number x is 8. 3 times a number y. Sum of 2 and 7 is 9. Difference of 9 and 2 is 7. Problem. Mona has 3 brothers. Every brother gives x rupees to Mona. She already has 7 rupees. I write an algebraic expression for the amount she has. 3 brothers give her x plus x equals 3x. Already Moomal has 7 rupees. Total amount that Moomal has 3x plus 7. If each brother gives 10 rupees. Find the amount that Moomal has. If x equals 10, then Moomal has 3 times 10 plus 7 equals 37 rupees. If each brother gives him 15 rupees. Find the amount that she has. If x equals 15, then Mona has 3 times 15 plus 7 equals 52 rupees. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Keep watching the channel for more learning.